Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and today we're looking at a 2022 Grand Design Solitude. It's in here for a Roadmaster Comfort Ride Slipper Spring upgrade, and I just wanted to walk over here and take a quick look. You know, our guys are pretty amazing, and even though Big in here can hear what I'm saying, I just want to let you see like the attention to detail. So he's got all the tires off. He marks all the tires, knowing right where they're at. Obviously, he's looking for any damage or things in the tires or issues with the rails. Same thing with the axles. You know, when he's messing with those, he's looking at all the studs, he's looking at all the nuts, making sure that everything's cool. And as you can see, the top of his box, he's got everything all laid out where he's assembling it, getting ready to put on the Roadmaster kit. I'm going to go around to the other side and give you a quick look. So if you haven't seen our other videos, we've got several other videos that talk about how this kit reduces the interior strain on the coach. So whether you want to call it G-forces, vibrations, bumping, any kind of, you know, scenario you can think of. But basically, here's those Roadmaster slipper springs, and those guys reside inside that what we refer to as a pump in or apparatus. As you can see the difference, this is captured in that box, and those glide in and out independently as possible. This box gets mounted. He's not got everything all up and secured yet, so he's still fitting everything in there, but this makes a huge difference. So whether you want to believe me who's trying to sit here and describe it to you, obviously if you're watching this, you're not going to come clear to Lodi, California to have us put this in. But whether you're able to do it yourself or you're able to take it to another shop, this is probably one of the cheapest suspension upgrades that you can do. And if you look at Roadmaster's chart, it's going to show you that it reduces all that strain and stress to the unit by 50 to, I believe, as high as, I think it was 78%. I think I would know that after all these that we've done. We've probably done several hundred of them easily. But this is a big, huge difference, you know, especially you look at all that vibration and shaking. You got a slide out right here above it. That's going to help prevent damage to the slide out, to the coach, to the frame. It just makes a huge difference, folks. So stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We've got, I'll get with Ashley and have her post the links for the Comfort Ride system. There's basically 3 different sizes, a 2.5, 3, and 3.5 inch based off the axle diameter. But then you can also increase the size of the springs based off the weight of the coach. This particular coach had to have a heavy duty spring based off of the GVRW of the coach itself. And this one, if you're wanting to know, it's a Solitude ST 382 WB. So again, thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already joined our Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so. Make sure you check out all the videos, posts, and articles that we write. We're here to try to help, and we appreciate you tuning in. Thanks again for watching.